Here at Stronghold, we know how demanding manufacturing can be. The days are hot, the hours are long. It takes a lot of grit and determination to do what you do. But you show up every single day to get the job done. So why not hold your storage to the same standard? Extreme environments demand extreme equipment. You can't focus on the job when your tools constantly go out on you. That's why we build our products to last. So you'll have something to depend on long after the job is done. Stronghold goes beyond the use of heavy-duty steel and focuses on the construction of our products. Our strength is found in the details. Every bend, every weld, every feature is constructed and executed to benefit you and to increase durability. Stronghold has one job: to provide solutions that work for you. Shop tables, tool carts, workbenches, you name it. We have over 100 products to offer. And if you still can't find the perfect fit, we'll make it. So don't rely on some flimsy cabinet to protect your stuff. Your tools deserve better. You deserve better. You show up day in and day out ready to put in the work. You deserve products built to do the same.